Hi friends, this is Amber and I am so happy that you're here. My mom and my sisters and I would like to welcome you to our virtual fall craft fair. We've been working so hard and loving every moment of setting up for this craft fair, and we are so excited that you're here. Please sit back and relax and browse through all of our fun fall items and wait to the end of the video because you're going to get specific, important details on how you can purchase some of these items. Again, we are so happy that you're here. Let's go shopping. We hope that you enjoyed browsing through our craft fair, and now for the important details on how you can purchase some of these items. We will have 3 types of craft fair boxes available in my Etsy shop tomorrow, October 18th at 2:00 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So again, these items will go on sale in bundles or boxes, if you will, tomorrow, Sunday, October 18th at 2:00 p.m. Mountain Standard Time in my Etsy shop. Please don't message me here and try to purchase items because they're not going to go on sale until that time tomorrow in my Etsy store. I know there's been a little bit of confusion with the time zones because I am Mountain Standard Time, which is like one of the most confusing ones because there's also Mountain Time. So I'm going to put this up here so you can screenshot it, pause it, and find your time zone, and that is the time that the Etsy listings will go live. I am going to post a direct link to my Etsy shop in the description below. So all you have to do is come here around 2:00 Mountain Standard Time tomorrow and click that link and it'll take you right over to my Etsy store. So I'm going to have the 3 listings up with the 3 different types of boxes that you can purchase. Okay, so first let's talk about the Deluxe Craft Fair box. This box contains one of every single item you saw in my Fall Craft Fair series this year. Plus, there is going to be a fall apron made by my mom, a fall fabric mask made by my mom, and an autumn pot holder or oven mitt made by my sister Ginger. So this is the deluxe box. It's the largest box of the group, and you will be receiving, like I said, everything you saw in the Craft Fair series plus those extras. You'll have something handmade from each one of us in there. So the next bundle will be called Craft Fair Box A. This one doesn't have quite every single item, but there is an extra item and just a couple missing from the Craft Fair series. So here's the list for Craft Fair Box A. You get all of these items, and take notice at the bottom it's adding on a fall applique set made by my mom. Okay, so the last kind of box is going to be called Craft Fair Box B. So in this bundle, you're going to be receiving a different mix of items. So here's the list here. Just keep in mind that every single item is going to vary. You don't know which design you're going to get, but you are going to get each one of these, and that goes for all the boxes. Okay, so again, there are 3 different types of boxes that will be going on sale in my Etsy shop tomorrow. And there are multiple quantities of each box. So I hope that you will get there on time to snag one of the boxes. And just please note that each item that is put in the box is going to be at a random picking. So you won't get to choose your design, your color. So if you saw like, the apron with the sunflowers, you won't know which apron you're receiving in your box. You won't know which album, which notebook, you know what I mean. Just, it's going to be a random pick from each of the items that are in that box. So it's going to kind of be a surprise which ones you get, although you will know each and every type of item that you will receive. So also, I just want to mention I have not been an Etsy seller. This is my first time actually having things for sale in my Etsy shop, and so I'm not going to have any feedback. So please don't let that discourage you from purchasing one of my boxes. This is just the first time I've ever opened my Etsy shop and had live listings. So again, that's why you won't see any feedback history on my page. So for this sale, we're only going to be offering U.S. shipping in my Etsy store. This is such a small craft fair with minimal items that I didn't think the outrageous international prices were worth it for this one. However, we are working hard to try and figure out worldwide shipping for the next Christmas segment of the craft fair. We all want to thank you so much for coming to our virtual craft fair, and we hope to see you over in my Etsy shop tomorrow at 2:00 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, or whatever time it is for you. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'm going to be hanging out in the comment section for a couple of hours right after I publish this video. So I'll be here to answer all of your questions. Again, my Etsy link will be below, and it'll be a direct link to my shop, and it's going to be in the description box of this video. And the listings I'm going to make as detailed as possible, but you can always refer back to this video if you're wondering what comes in each of the boxes. So again, I hope to see you over in my Etsy store tomorrow. I thank you so much, and I cannot wait for the Christmas segment to start shortly after this. And I just thank you all so much for your support, so much for watching, and so much for coming to our virtual craft fair. See you in the next one. Bye!